Hello and welcome to this short video about using histograms to find the median. Now, if you remember, the median is always the middle value when you put all of the data in order. So I'm going to need to know the frequency of each bar and the total frequency before I can do anything. So the step one is to make sure you know frequency of each bar. Now, of course, sometimes in an exam question you might be given a table that already tells you the frequencies. It may be that you've needed to use some of your other skills to find the frequency density before going on to find the frequencies. All of that is in some of our other videos. Do look back if you need some help. The fundamental thing here, though, if you remember, to find frequency, we're going to do class width times frequency density. So here, my class width is 5, the frequency density is 1, so that first bar is worth 5 data points, or it's 5 students this time. In this next one, the class width is 5, and the frequency density is 1.8, that gives me 9 students, 5 times 1.8. Then I have 5 times 2 to get 10. I have 5 times 3 to get 15. 10 times 0.8 to get 8. And then 15 times 0.6 to get 9. So my frequencies here are 5, 9, 10, 15, 8 and 9. And if I add all of those together, my total frequency is 56. So I know that I asked 56 students. So to find the median, I need to find the 28th student. So I'm going to do the total frequency divided by 2. And in this particular case, that's 28. I need the 28th student. Now that doesn't mean the median itself is 28. I still need to work out what the median is. But I know that I need the 28th student. So step 3 is to find which bar this value is in. So if we think about what's going on here, this first bar is worth 5. So if I get to here, I've used up 5 students. By the time I get to here, I've used up 14 students, 9 add 5. Then by the time I get to here, I've used up 24 students. It's a bit like cumulative frequency. And then by the time I get to here, I've added in another 15 students, so that's 39 students. As this bar starts at the 24th student and ends at the 39th student, I know that the median is somewhere in there. So what I'm going to do for step 4 is to find the median, and it's going to be a proportion, not the whole bar, it's going to be a proportion of the bar found in step 3. So if we're looking at this particular one, when I start this bar, I've used up 24 students, I need the 28th student. So from the bar, I need the 4th student. So I need 4th from here. Doesn't mean I'm using the whole bar. I want the 4th student out of the 15. So that's the 4th out of 15. Because that bar, if you remember, was worth 15 students. For our final step, we're going to find the actual value of the median. Now, we're going to use the fact that frequency is class width times frequency density, rearrange it so we know what class width is. So class width is frequency divided by frequency density. So if we think about what's going on, I need the class width, so I can find which student it is. The frequency that I want is 4, because I need the 4th out of 15. And the frequency density of that bar is 3. So my class width is going to be 4/3 of a person, 1.3 people. So if we imagine a bar coming in here that tells me the median, the space that's taken up by this purple bit is 1.3. Now I'd already used up 24 students, so I'm going to do 24 plus 1.3. So our estimate for the median is 25.3 students. So I'm going to add, so frequency found for the beginning of that bar. I hope that helps. Thanks very much.